Hi there, welcome to Pumpkin Spice and Real Estate Advice with Fran and Denise. Today we're going to go over a few essential fall maintenance home tips. So let's go.
So we take this off because this would totally freeze up, and we use 4-inch weeping tile, and we put that on so that there's lots of room. In case it freezes, it would come out the top, and we make sure that we slope it away from the house and always slope down so that there's no ups so that it can freeze. So that is how we deal with it for the winter, so that even in the coldest part of the winter we don't have an issue.
Welcome to the wood stove. So if you're doing a wood stove, you're going to want to have it cleaned either professionally once a year in the fall, or you can do it yourself. If you're going to do it yourself, there are brushes available that you can come from your roof down, and then you're going to want to use a smaller one to do the inside. Super important not to forget your elbows, so if you are having trouble with the brush, maybe just take it apart.
So now we're in the basement, and we're going to talk about what you need to maintain for your HVAC system. So of course, we all know we have to change our furnace filters. And for a bunch of you, you're going to have an HRV system, especially if you have a newer home, but even some older homes might have upgraded to having an HRV. So that's a heat recovery ventilation system. So you're going to open it, and you're going to clean these filters. You want to change them every once in a while, but most of the time just clean them in the sink. And then this core, which has the air going through it, you're going to pull that right out. Of course I can't right now. And so you're going to get that pulled out, and you're going to wash that as well, at least once a year. We like to do ours in the fall.